How to fix Gmail if you are not receiving emails on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down here until you find apps, click on it and then click apps again, and here just scroll down until you find Gmail, or you can just type it here and you will find it, then click on it. Now click for stop and then go to storage, click clear cache, and now just click data usage here and check background data. Maybe you'll find it like that, just allow it, and after that just go back, check if there is any update for your Gmail, and then restart your phone and try again. And I hope that can fix your problem, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.